commercial and consumer products with Speed Queen are all but very identical, meaning the parts we make, the processes we use, the people that are building those great components they don't know the difference. They literally don't know if they're building an outer tub for a commercial machine or an outer tub for a home machine. They are the same. Speed Queen and metal go hand in hand. So, when we build a washer or a dryer for Speed Queen Home Laundry, it's all about metal, right? It's all about knowing that metal is strong, knowing that metal is superior to anything plastic or any other, sub-quality component. So, take our outer tub, for example. Our outer tub is the last top-load washer outer tub in the world that is still metal, and we're proud of that. Speed Queen always chooses quality first, always. And it's not because cost isn't important to us, because it's important for every manufacturer. It's because our customers demand quality. And when you're thinking about your customer first and you're thinking about your customer only, you're going to make those choices every time.